Download your information on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download your information on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and you're gonna find of Facebook activity. Click on it, and here click on more options and click on download your information to download details of your Facebook activity. Click on it and wait for a second, then they're gonna show you your Facebook activity, and click on selected all and download, and this is it. Create a file and download those information. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.